Health benefits of turmeric. 1. Weight loss and obesity. Studies suggest curcumin may suppress fat cell growth by restricting blood vessel expansion in fat tissue. 2. Arthritis and joint pain. Curcumin can modify immune system responses to help reduce pain and inflammation related to arthritis. 3. Powerful antioxidant. Curcumin is a powerful antioxidant that helps the body fight free radicals, slow down aging and boost immune system. 4. Helps headaches and migraines. Turmeric helps reduce inflammation in the brain. 5. Enhances brain function. Curcuminoids lower oxidative stress, which can help brain fog and enhance cognitions. 6. Aids liver detox. Turmeric stimulates bile production in the gallbladder, which helps the liver eliminate toxins. 7. Reduces allergies. Curcumin can block histamine release while reducing sinus and respiratory inflammation. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share this video.